Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. Today is going to be one of those videos where it is a do as I say, not as I do video. Okay, keep that in mind. So what we're going to be doing today is we got this small field here next to us. You can see that I took the fence down. I just have it laying on the ground. We're going to be planting in here soon, and we have this huge maple tree with lots of dead spots in it. The whole tree really needs to come down. I don't have time for that right now. So what I'm going to concentrate on is these branches here, and there's actually one right above us. This one leans out over the fence. So I want to make sure that after I put a crop in here, that if we get a bad storm, this doesn't come down and smash my fence. Now, it could still hit a post or whatever. I have extra posts, but I didn't want to take the whole fence out. I don't have time to rent a big lift to do this piece by piece. So we are going to just cut these two branches down in two big chunks. This tree is huge. The camera does not do it justice. From there to there is about 39 inches wide, just here at the base of the tree. And the one branch we're cutting here, again, I mean, that guy probably slicing down at an angle kind of like that. I mean, that's every bit of 30 plus inches right there, with this whole big, I mean, that's like a whole tree in itself. So we got this guy here, we're going to drop to the ground here. Hopefully it'll land somewhat between the fence posts. And then we're going to do this guy here, which is a lot smaller. He's only maybe 2 foot or so, and we'll slice him down and let him fall down over that way. So that's what we're up to, and then we'll have to clean this huge mess up and put the fence back. But I don't know if I can show you. If you see right there, there is a huge crack in the tree. It's just dying. That section there is dead. We've had some more dead stuff up there. We've been trying to preserve the tree as long as we can because it's a beautiful tree. It's been here, obviously, a long time. As a kid, there used to be another branch that came out right behind that loader arm that we had a swing on and stuff. So it's sad to see this go, but it has to happen. So I'm going to get you a little footage of this mayhem today, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Alright, there you have it. Those two branches down. Got super duper lucky. We missed all the fence posts, and I'll show you that in a second. But again, at the beginning of the video, like I said, do as I say, not as I do. I don't recommend you cutting branches like I did. I've done that lots of times. Doesn't make it right, doesn't make it safe, but I don't recommend you doing that. So anyway, let's move on. So let's see if we can see here. We had a fence post here. And the next one, oops, sorry, I'm falling down, is right there. I don't know if you can see it here. Right there. And we have a few light little branches on it, but overall, the big chunk missed it. And we'll take a quick peek here at where we cut the branch off. This was all getting dry rotted here. You can see this whole half here was gone. The upper half, surprisingly, still wasn't terrible yet, but you know, you can see all the bark missing here, and then of course all of this is just dried out. So let me climb over this, and we'll go look at the other one, how lucky we got here. You can see we might have just bumped the fence post. I mean, there's a tiny gap there, but we missed that one. And same thing over here. If I cannot fall down, I'm going to fall down. Sorry. Not big branch, medium-sized branch, missed that fence post. And then there's one more over there that just has some fluff sitting on it. So we got a huge amount of stuff here to clean up. That's going to be a separate video if I can get off of here without falling down, which would be kind of funny, but not really funny for you guys. And we'll take a peek here quick at this. This one, the right side and the lower side was still pretty solid, but basically all down and through here to about here, this is really dried out and starting to rot away. So yeah, I mean, again, that's why we did this. So we didn't wreck the fence, we didn't wreck a crop. Sometimes we let our pigs graze under the tree here. You know, you have a bad storm, excuse me, I gotta climb down here. You have a bad storm, God forbid one of these falls on an animal. But I mean, you can just see the the rest of the tree. This is all just, it's all dying, and it'll need to come down, but that'll be for another day. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed my ridiculous hijinks for today. Stay tuned if you want to see a video. I'm probably going to use Little Blue and some grapple action. I haven't had the grapple on Little Blue yet. I'm going to cut all these up. We're going to save a bunch of it for firewood. It's good maple. And my wife had an idea about saving some of the straighter sections and maybe making a table or something out of it, since this tree's been on this property for so long. Kind of a little tribute thing, you know, just a remembrance. We really didn't want to take it down, but it's just getting unsafe. So anyway, stay tuned if you want to see Little Blue in action. And don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up please, bell icon. I appreciate all that. I appreciate everybody watching, and I sure hope to see you on the next video.